Hello, today we will guide you through how to tag a person on Meta Business Suite. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the process of adding someone inside Meta Business Suite so they can be connected to your business account. This is useful when you want to give a team member, collaborator, or partner access to help manage your business assets. Make sure you're already logged into the correct Meta Business account before you begin, so you don't accidentally make changes in the wrong workspace. Start by going to Meta Business Suite. Once the dashboard loads, take a moment to confirm that you're in the right business profile. The layout may vary slightly depending on updates to the platform, but the overall process remains very similar. Next, look to the bottom left area of the screen and click Settings. This is where Meta Business Suite keeps the tools for managing people, permissions, and business level controls. If you don't immediately see the exact same layout, just look for the Settings gear icon in that lower left section. After the Settings page opens, move to the top right corner and click Invite People. This option is used when you want to add someone new to the business. It begins the invitation process and lets you enter the details for the person you want to add. You'll then be prompted to enter an email address. In this field, type the person's email carefully and double-check it before continuing. Since invitations are sent directly to that address, even a small typo can prevent the right person from receiving the invite. For privacy and security, avoid sharing sensitive information out loud or displaying private details unnecessarily if you're recording your own screen. Once the email has been entered, click Next. From there, simply follow the on-screen procedure to complete the invitation. Meta may ask you to confirm access levels, assign permissions, or choose which business assets the person should be connected to. Read each screen carefully so the person receives the appropriate level of access for their role. When you're finished, the invitation will typically remain pending until the recipient accepts it. If needed, you can usually return to your business settings later to review pending invitations and confirm whether the person has joined successfully. That's the full process for tagging, or more accurately adding, a person in Meta Business Suite. Take your time with each screen, review the email address one last time, and follow the prompts to complete the setup smoothly.